sorry if it's like a glare. Let me fix that. No, why is it like that? Okay, that's better. So today I have Dr. Jill and Phil, I think it's called. So, yeah, it's this guy, if you ever heard of it. I also have one more play-doh set, but I might do that another day, maybe tomorrow. But, yeah. So I have a play-doh box in here, and it comes with white for the teeth, red for the tongue, and silver for the braces, and that's it. Then it comes with this thing, tweezer. This little thing, the hole, you attach it to this thing right here. So yeah, the tweezers, I think. Then this also, like, you could get any kind of Play-Doh. Hold on. So yeah, like if you want mint, you could use white. If you want any kind of toothpaste, you just get it. Let me show you. Let's say it's silver toothpaste. That would be kind of weird, but let's just say you want silver toothpaste. And then you put in this mold. Hold on, I don't remember how to do this. Okay. See? You go like that, it molds it out, and then you could just like brush the teeth. So yeah, that's how it is. They're watching a movie. So yeah, it's toothpaste.
Oh, that's great.
I know it is. It's silver.
That's great.
Oh, okay. I'll be back when I get this out. I took it off. And then it comes with this, so you can like see if that one's loose. I don't know, but I should tell you I'm really bad at doing teeth. So I have this mirror, so you can like see, and then this braces mold. Then this one needs batteries, but I could just pretend to like fill it in. So I think that is it. So yeah, first with the tongue. Okay, so there's this hole right here. Then you put the Play-Doh in there. And then you put it in there. And then you just like stick it in there. Then take out the rest if it doesn't fit. Then here's the cool part. Put it in there. And then it will mold into a tongue once you open the mouth. That's it. That's it. That's weird. That's it. Like there's nothing in there. Let me do it more. Here we go. that. I'll be done when I put this in there. So I'm done. Hopefully this is good enough. Maybe that's a little too much. Okay, that's good. Okay, let me take. Let me take a extra. Okay, so now I made my teeth. Now to make the molds. I don't know how to say it right, but sorry. And then there's 2 teeth molds. There's like a lot of like extra dry play-doh. But yeah, and I'll be back when I'm done making all those. Okay guys, so I am done and I took out these dried ones. They're hard. Then here is I didn't have a lot of Play-Doh left, so he lost some teeth. So now I'm going to play with it. Okay. So let's see, sir. Wait, where is it? Okay. First, I'm gonna tap on those teeth, see which one's loose. That one's not loose. That one's not loose. That one's, ooh, that has little bloody there. Yep. There's blood. Okay. I was taking the time. So, let me take that blood off. Where's the wipey? There you go. Let's put it back in here. Looks like there's another piece of blood that I took off. So, let's see. Is this one loose? Yeah, that is loose. Let me take that out. But first, let me put you to sleep. Boing. Take that tooth off. Is this tooth? Nope. But this one, no. Okay. This one. Yep. Whoa! There you go. Let me put those back in. This one looks like they had blood. This one also took it out. Okay, so that's fine. Now we need to repair his tooth and get fake ones so we could get those. Okay, now let's take the fake ones. Let me take the one that okay. This one's a little bit flat, but it'll work. Okay, so it's a little flat, but it'll work. So yeah, that's good enough. And let me get... Okay. Just for pretend, I don't really have good molding skills, so... Yeah, that's as good as it's gonna get. And I know there's still red play-doh in there, but just pretend. And I don't think there's gonna be a lot of play-doh left. Two. Okay. There's one more teeth that I need to put in there. One more. Okay. There you go. There's the teeth. Well, he needs some braces. But let me check those back too. There's a little blood there, but that's okay. But first, let me brush the teeth. First, let me brush his teeth with this mint one. Just pretend it's mint, cause I wasted white. Brush, 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 brush. Brush, 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 brush. Brush, 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 brush. Brush, 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 brush. There you go. Now time for braces. So you take some of the silver, because most silver teeth, most braces are silver. So you just flatten it out. So now, I'll be back when I put all of his braces on. So I'm done doing his braces. Oh, part of his braces came off. So yeah, I forgot there's this mold that was supposed to be there. But anyways, thanks for watching.